Today I'm going to share with you how you can make a copycat double chocolate chip frappuccino in your home. Sound good? Let's get cooking. Add 1 1/8 cups of your favourite milk to a blender, 1 1/2 tablespoons of white sugar, a 1/3 cup of mini chocolate chips, 3 tablespoons of your favourite chocolate syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add 1 1/2 cups to 2 cups of fresh ice. I like to start it blending slowly and then gently just work up the speed to get a nice consistency. Take a look. If it's too thin, add some more ice. Line a glass with some chocolate syrup because it looks so good. Add the mixture. Top this off with some whipped cream, cinnamon, chocolate chips, and how about a little bit more of that chocolate syrup? Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. Always remember, keep it simple. See you soon.